just come back from doing the zigzag railway. I'm at Club Lithgow. These machines are new, all three of them. Okay. I've got 50 in, and I'm doing 30 lines times 2 credits and 1 cent denom. I've got a 12, which is pretty good. Baby. Alright, 60 cents, 35, not bad. These machines like smaller play, so... Alright. Nice, you got it. Okay, let's change it over to 2 cent denom. Alright, so I'm going to collect it there. Oh, that's right, this is Club. I need to get a card. So I'm going to get a card. And so Club Lithgow. Oh, there we go, Club Lithgow. And I've got to put a card in to get my money out.
What do you say? And then it's like,
Alright, so it should reset back to 0, yep, there we go. 50 in, 58 out. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. So after cashing out that 58, I put a fresh 50 in, after letting it reset. So I've been going between 20 lines and 25 lines on 5 cent denom. It hit on the 20 lines, so they're just all my bets, so just $1. Oh, I just got a $50 mini. That's nice. Come on, baby. Save it for me. Anything. No, that's it. Alright. 61x, not bad. Let's change it over to this one. Oh, that would have been nice. Alright, so 50 in, 80 out. I'm just going to put my card in from before with that $58. I'll just put it all together. Okay, so we're 250s in, has given us 138. Club Lithgow. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, come on, baby. I've moved over from that one to the other one. This one's the Battle Princess. Come on, train. No train. Re-trigger. Nice.
Did you get the train with it?
That's good. That's not bad. Up to $30. Come on. Be a little something. I got my 50 back. One lot of the trains, please. Nothing. Alright, $2 bet 97. Alright, get back up. Okay, that's it. 50 in, 101 out. I'm going to put the card in. Where is it? It's in my pocket somewhere. Alright, so Club Lithgow. I'm going to put the card in. So it's got the money that I took out from there. Okay, so we're putting in a card for 138, and we're up to 240. Not bad. Let's go. Oh, bugger. No, we don't want that. Take one. No. Okay. No, we want to take our card out. Did it work? Yes. Okay. So, right. And this one is the Battle Princess. Alright. Thanks, watch it goes. 50 back in. It got me on the 1 cent denom dollar bet. Let's see how we go. Hopefully we'll get the trains. Nothing? Oh, train. Train. That was mean. They set on the Eagles. Nothing. Okay, 21 bucks, 21x average. Right, I'm going to take it there. Where did I put my card? Okay. So it'll have the 240 from before. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. So I moved over to the Forever Emperor, so I played that one first, then went over to that one. Now I'm on this one. So it's 2 cent denom, 30 lines times 3 credits, $1.80 bet. Let's see how we go. Got it. My bet, double, triple, 4 times. Or quadruple. Come on, baby, anything. Thank you. Train. But we're still in the free game. Almost missed it. coins. I got the coins a lot. Okay, $1.80 bet, 104. Got it on the 125, 5 cents Dino. So my bet, and double. Save it for me. No. Alright. Not great. But more bullets to keep fighting. Okay, let's do this one now. Alright, that's it. So, 50 in, 120 out. There we go, Publifka. Okay, so we're up to 413. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, 1 cent dinar, $3 bet. Let's see how we go. Trains, give me the trains. That's not nice. Well, I got it. It would have been nicer on 10.
It would have been.
You take what you can get. Alright. That's not bad. Minor. I'd love a train. Dropped the major before. I went a bit degen on this one. I had the card up to, I think it was 413. And I put the card in because I wanted to do big bets. Right. And I went to dollar denom, $3, $4, $5. Then went down to 10 cent. Started out at $2.50, went up to $5, then went to 2 cent, $3, $5, nothing. Came down to 1 cent, bouncing between 3 and 5, and it gave it to me. So I need a lot more than that to get back up to the 413 that I was up to. A train would do it. The train would do nicely. Alright, come on, save it. Anything. Yes, nice. But considering I put in the card with 413 in it, it owes me more than that.
There we go.
But you know, the 10,000 would make up for it. I don't usually go degen on them, but I don't know. I just thought it was going to hit. Well, I'm hoping.
Alright. 45, you 45, 30. That's alright.
Yeah, I'm hoping for one more for the 10,000. I'll take that.
Yeah, you know what? It might, they're like that.
Yeah. No. But that's still not bad. Okay, $3 bet, $2.41. Train. No, kings. All right, $3 bet, $2.70. And we're up to 4. Okay, so I made it back plus $3. All right, that's what I was up to. I'm going to take it down to 350.
I'll tell you that, Ian. Yeah. Oh, did you? Yeah. Good boys, huh? What's going on? Losing. Just losing. Just good. Haven't found a good one? Not yet. I'm going to get a beer.
Okay. I'm going to take it out at 350. Why isn't it coming out? Oh, because I've still got coins in there. Alright, now it's come out. So 350, 110. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, 10-cent dinar, $5 bet. I put 100 in after cashing out the 350 that I've got on the card. I've got a mini, a 20, 3 10s and 2 at my bet. So let's see how we go. Come on, something bigger than just my bet, please. Mini, minor, 15, it's okay. I saw the minor go past just there. Yes, another mini.
Oh, 100.
Yeah. Come on, save it. Anything. Nice. Hey, $300. That's not bad. Let's do a backup.
Right up. No, I can get it. Clean up, mate. No, one. Yeah, one. Oh, say one of them. Yeah, we only need 6. Yeah, right. Because we need 2 here. Oh. So the first and second. No, through the whole thing. Yeah. There you go, straight up. So you got all the coins.
Train?
So you get the coins in there. No train yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He's going to get it on the bird, come. Train, bro. You get the train, it fucking does this extra special one. Ridiculous.
Nothing.
That's it. So does yours do the thing, the 4 thing? Go on? No, this one doesn't. That one and that one does.
Okay, last one. Alright, I'm going to put the card in. So Club Lithgow. And it should have the 350. Why is it doing that? Come on. Okay, retrieving. Okay. What's it doing? Okay. So it's this is my damn it, why aren't you doing it? Now put it in. Okay, there's my new total, 651. Retrieving. That's what I've got. Okay. Alright, to Zendina. 50 back in after cashing out that 300. And to Zendina, $5 bet. I worked it all the way up and then I was bouncing. It's good. So I've got $60 just in minis. Just my bet. It would be awesome. Or the balls that it was dropping before, when it was only dropping like 2 or 3. It was dropping like 50, which is 100. So. Okay, save it. Come on, anything. No. Not bad. I shall take that. Alright. Let's do a backup.
Good job for fucking $1.50.
Okay.
Surely that's got to be right over $2.
Come on, one more. No.
Yeah, it works. Comes on.
Yeah, very rarely.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Alright, let's put the card in and collect it. I've got my card. Should have like $651 something on it. Let's see. 651.37. Why aren't you adding it? Add it to this. Transfer. Okay, so now I should have $752. Okay. I don't know why it's not displaying it up there. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright. So I'm going to cash it out. And put this in. Take it out. And it's $752.30. Continue. Let's watch our pineapple show. That's what it was. Okay, thanks for watching.
Hello.
Right, 50 in. I moved to the other one, Gunshots or something. 50 in, 5 cent Dino, 250 bet. Nothing? Oh, the birds. Come on. Balls. Give me balls. No balls. Balls, please. Balls. No. 28 bucks. Okay, better than nothing. Alright, I shall continue doing what I was doing. Got it again. So this one's better than the last one, and I get the balls. Trains. Dude, okay. Come on, train. Please, train. Do it again. It's not a bad little win. I really want the trains. Come on, train. Yes. Alright, nice. Now I just need the train to come in one of those spots. Come. Please and thank you. Come on, baby. Mini, minor. Come on. Anything, save it. Okay, 105. Alright. Oh, give it to me again, please. Alright. You blocked. It's not bad though. Trains, please, trains. No, nothing. Okay, 375, 297. Got it again. Still no train. Drop a minor? Major? Mini? Another mini, nice. Thank you. Minor? Come on, save it for me, baby. I saw the train go past just there, so maybe. Nearly all just just my bet. There's a couple at double, but basically all just my bet. Okay, anything? No. Okay, 156. Not bad. Right. Let's do one there again. Alright, $501.05. I am going to put it on the card. Now you saw me collect before. So, yeah, 0 transfer. 50 in, 501 out. So that was a good run. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, 30 lines times 5 credits on 1 cent denom after cashing out that 500. Let's hope it's nice to me. Bastard. Come on, do it again. That was just cruel. Okay, boy. Okay, birdie's good. Trains, please. Trains. Come on, trains, please. Come on, trains. Nothing. Okay, 20.
I'll see you next week when I get home.
I'd love to see one train. Just one. I'm not asking for more than that. Okay, well you saw how I was betting and he gave it to me on the 60 cent bet on my cent denom. But you never know, I could get the trains on this. That's just mean. That sucks. But I'm leaving this in just to show you that it can be mean. I don't care, because it's the other one was, it wasn't, no, this one was very kind to me. So it's all good. But doing that to me, it ended up doing it 3 times. And they did it twice in one. It's just not a nice thing to do. Alright, well, that's it. It took my 50 and it's time to leave anyway, but it's been rather nice to me, so I'm not particularly fussed about that. I've cashed out $750, and now I'm putting in my thing. Zero. You should show me what I've got. Show me. Damn it. Should be showing me 500. $500 and $140 is better than a kick in the butt. So it's pretty good. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, let's do our pineapple show and go. It's been a big day. Alright, $501.40. Continue. And a nice little pineapple show. Alright. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.